why do we have Assam floods? क्यों हर बार Brahmaputra spills over the amount of water it does? Why do every year people of Assam suffer? कहना आसान है कि it's a part of a bigger problem of natural factors. It's a very large river. Brahmaputra is one of the biggest rivers of Asia, the biggest of India. In fact, Brahmaputra carries 30% of India's total surface runoff water. Brahmaputra agar size approximately the amount of water it carries about 20 meter cube per second. Ganga is less than that, about 16 meter cube per second है. And Brahmaputra का जो basin है, the floodplains, is approximately half of that of river Ganga. And Brahmaputra world का among the top biggest rivers में आता है. It's bigger than river Mississippi. It's bigger than river Mekong. तो yes, कुछ हद तक the problem of Brahmaputra is the amount of water it has. It's a very big river. But to tell the truth to you, the reason of Brahmaputra floods and the Assam floods goes back to what happened in 1950 May and what the government did as a consequence or as a part of its response. And 50 May, the Assam Brahmaputra region had a massive earthquake. It's called as the Assam Tibet earthquake. इसके वजह से there was huge amount of landslides, lot of sediments were carried by the river और river का जो capacity था that reduced. In fact, the river floor rose by about 2 to 5 meters in many places. The very large river, huge amount of sediments is blocking the river and धीरे-धीरे the water started spreading. So the root of the Assam problem was when the Brahmaputra का जो carrying capacity tha, a river's capacity to transport sediment, that was compromised after the earthquake. This definitely was a part of the natural factor. But the consequence में क्या हुआ? Because the river kept on flooding for a long time, government of India or government वहाँ पर जो management था, they started making say embankments along the borders of river Brahmaputra. ये walls हैं. Now what has happened over the years, the river level itself has become much higher than the surrounding plains. It has become much higher than the flood plains, the villages alongside Brahmaputra. तो अब क्या होता है when heavy rainfall happens and the river is carrying lot of water in the monsoon months, these embankments break. It's almost like dams are breaking and they completely submerge the villages, the floodplains on the either side. The Brahmaputra का disaster है, Assam floods जो है, it is not entirely because of natural factors. It's not because of rains in general. It's more because of the tectonic shift which happened 1950s में and the response in terms of the river training. This is one of the lessons to learn कि river का एक natural course है. Big rivers खासकर rivers like ब्रह्मपुत्रा हो, गंगा है, ये rivers को आप wall बना के train करना is not the best method. I remember in one of the declarations या public meetings में हमारे जो metro man थे श्रीधरन साहब, he had suggested कि one way of controlling river Yamuna and even controlling the pollution of Yamuna was to make walls on either side of Yamuna ताकि यमुना का आप जो width है वो narrow कर दीजिए and the water flow can increase and remove all the pollutants. It is a disaster. This type of narrowing the channels to increase the flow of the river or making walls to hold back the river, ये engineering disasters होते हैं long run में. आज की डेट में ब्रह्मपुत्रा का जो वाटर फ्लो है, it washes away islands, it washes away floodplains. Lot of small islands जैसे कि मजूली island है, it is now getting eroded because the amount of water that runs and erodes these kind of islands. In fact, this flooding of Brahmaputra creates now climatic refugees. So if you look at the whole dynamics, the dynamics of disaster is not limited to natural factors but linked to social, economic factors and also some of the engineering solutions जो traditionally हम करते आए हैं, they have now become our bigger headaches. Assam floods, keep watching me for these kind of updates.